Hey coach, how much do I actually need to start forex trading? And my answer is quite simple. Though you need money to trade forex, but in the actual sense, you don't really need money to trade forex. What you need to trade forex is skill. Money without skill is equals to zero, but skill plus money is equals to something. Even skill without money is also equal to something. Why? Because in the journey of forex, it will get to a point where you will no longer trade with your own personal money. Investors will come in. People will start throwing money at you because you've got that skill. So what you need to focus on is skill, not the money. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can actually grow a small amount to something significant. I've used this principle over time to grow a small amount from $2 to $100, even in a single day. So I'm going to be showing you what are the steps that I do take whenever I want to grow a small account. So if you're in the categories of those who believe that you need money to trade forex, this video is actually for you. So I need you to watch to the end. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on the post notification. So whenever I show up with video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So let's go. One of the ways you actually know that you are good to go in forex trading is where you can move a small amount to something more significant. You cannot trade a large capital if you do not have skill. If I hand over you $1,000 without skill in you, you will not grow that money. But if you have skill, you can turn $100 to $10,000. And that is the bedrock of forex trading. Before you even start taking that Profem challenge, you need to first of all test your ability, test your skill in forex trading. If you can grow a small amount. And by the time you start growing a small amount, that is where you should know that yes, you are qualified to take Profem challenge. So one of the things that can help you to grow a small account is to know the type of trader you are. Make sure you identify the type of trader you are. Are you an aggressive trader? Or you are what? A conservative trader. And who is an aggressive trader? An aggressive trader is one who does not even talk about risk management, who does not even consider risk management. These traders go in full margin. They don't care if they lose the amount or not. Probably they have another source of income that generates money for them. So if you're an aggressive type of trader, you are willing to lose all that you have in your equity. That one is sure. But if you're a conservative trader, you know that yes, if you lose this amount, to get another one might not be easy. So you want to be conservative. Now, by the time you've identified the type of trader you are, you want to wait for a good setup. And this is one of the ways that can help you build a small account faster. So taking the right setup in the market will put you in the right pedestal so that you may have losing streaks. This is the time where you want to filter out the setup you're taking. If your setup is not up to 1:2, don't take the trade. This is my own yardstick to grow a small account. I make sure I take trade that has the capacity to give me 1:2. And these are A plus setup. What are A plus setup? A plus setup are setups that has met all the criteria. So to grow a small account, you need to only take A plus setup. Setup that you know that they have 90% of going your direction. And that is the kind of trade you want to take if you really want to grow a small account. Another thing that can help you grow a small account is to stick to one strategy. Jumping from one strategy to another will not do you good. In fact, it will really damage your account. Whatever strategy that has made you money yesterday or before is capable to also make you money. All you just need to do is to fine-tune that strategy and make sure you make it more better. Don't think that your strategy is not working. So stop jumping from pillar to post. There is no holy grail strategy. Every strategy works. Just know the right time to apply them. All strategy works. Another thing that can help you grow a small account is to stick to one particular pair. Let's say you have an account of $10 and you are looking to grow this account. I don't recommend you start with trading gold. Gold is highly volatile. Even stay away from GBP, JPY. Why? Because that is also volatile in some extent. I want you to look at, I need to focus on major pairs, like currency pairs that has US dollars. They are less volatile. You can start with EU, GU, AU. These are pairs that you might use to grow your small account, at least from $10 to like $50, before you can now start taking GJ or SAUSD, which is gold. This will help you grow your small account faster. So let's talk about lot sizing. If you want to grow a small account, you need to be careful and be mindful of risk management. A lot of people don't even know what type of lot size to use. They just believe that 0.1 can give them any amount. No, 0.1 can be $2, it can be $10, it can be $200, it can be $50, depending on your stop loss. Make sure you have a regular stop loss if you really want to have a regular lot sizing. When I'm day trading and I'm growing a small account, my regular stop loss is 20 pips on GU or EU or AU. And I know that yes, if I'm risking 20 pips and I start with 0.01, 20 pips on GU with 0.01 is just risking $2. So I'm just risking just 2% of my account. Let's say I'm growing a $10 account. And you need to embrace risk management a lot, because that is the only basis you can use to grow a small account. Make sure you stick to that lot size. If you are trading with 0.01, until you've grown that account from $10 to $50, don't change it. You can open one position or two. That one is okay. But make sure you have grown that account with 100% before you now start increasing your lot size. Don't jump from 0.01 to 0.10. No. That way, you can blow your account. So in terms of lot sizing, make sure you are regular with your stop loss. If you want to use 20 pips as a start, make sure that is what you use. If you want to use 25 pips, 30 pips, make sure that is what you're using. You can leverage on babypipscalculatorsize.com to know how to calculate your stop loss so that you know the lot size to use. Don't jump from 0.01 to use 0.05 on a $10 account. That can be damaging to your own account. And the last but not the least, to grow a small account, make sure you are paying yourself first. Whenever you've grown an account with over 100%, let's say you move a $10 to $20, withdraw your initial deposit. Let your profit do the rest. In that way, there's a psychological effect it has on you. So long as the money is still in your broker wallet, it is not yet your money. Make sure you withdraw your initial deposit. Use it to go and buy something. Buy yourself mineral, buy yourself biscuits and eat. And use your $10 profit to run the race. In that way, it will sound something to your head. That is how you become profitable. When you feel this Forex money, then you can know that yes, Forex really works. This has a psychological effect that it plays on you. It lets you feel that yes, you have arrived. Even if you have not gotten there yet, it gives you that sense of belonging. At least it makes you feel that you are not only depositing to your broker, that you are also withdrawing. So appreciate the days of a little beginning. Even if it's $10, $5 you made, withdraw that amount. Use it to do something else and let your profit run. So these are the things that have helped me grow my small account. You can see in this video, I'm not talking about strategy. I'm not talking about double top, double bottom, support and resistance. No. All I just mentioned has to do with psychology. If your psychology is not right, you cannot move a dime to any level. You can make money, you will still lose money in the market. Another thing I can just leave you with is avoid revenge trading. The market does not owe you anything. So if you lose one or two trades a day, call it a day. Come back the next day and take another trade. Never try to recover what you've lost that same particular day. With that same mindset, you might lose the remaining one that you have. So whenever you take one or two trades and those trades did not go your way, that is enough. Even if you take one setup and it makes some money, call it a day. Come back the next day. Be contented with what you have. There is always another opportunity in the market. That is how you can grow a small account. So I hope this video is helpful. If you find value in it, give it a like. Make sure you share this video link to friends and family and subscribe. All right, don't be a passerby. Subscribe. This is what will make trading so easy. And my mission is to help you become profitable. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.